On Thursday, January 25th, 2024, Porsche is set to unveil the latest model of its Macan series, which is now completely electric. Before the full debut, Porsche posted a few photos of the Macan EV in revealing design sketches. This event marks the introduction of the vehicle's second generation and will take place in Singapore. Those interested can catch the live premiere on the DPCcars YouTube channel. Transitioning the Macan to an electric drivetrain presented the Porsche design team with both hurdles and opportunities. This new iteration of the Macan diverges significantly from its predecessor, which utilized a conventional gasoline engine. It's built on a unique platform that was designed specifically for electric vehicles from the outset. According to information provided by Porsche, the most powerful version of the Macan will boast more than 600 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque, thanks to its dual motor configuration. It will be powered by a substantial 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, capable of supporting fast charging up to 270 kilowatt. The 2025 Macan is described by Porsche as a sporty crossover featuring a notable design and will come equipped with all-wheel steering. Additionally, it will include a rear electronic locking differential and an advanced air suspension system, which utilizes two-valve dampers. Following its introduction this Wednesday, the vehicle is expected to hit the market later in the year, coinciding with Audi's release of its own comparable model, the Q6 e-tron.